Working. Okay. If it is working, then we need to learn first. When the people will come to register page, he will enter some data. Click on register button. It should go to the JSON file. When he will go to the login and enter the details, click on login. It should find from the JSON file. Okay. Those things we need to understand. So let me search here a line. Write in local JSON. Write in local JSON. Write in JSON file using local JSON server. See, I was not using this technique because the server was running well. So everything was happening through the server. But the not four website, 5 websites are there multi-hosting. Unlimited website can host, but I think they have disabled something. Because of that, we are not able to hit unlimited. Previous batch, nearly 70 people was there, all was able to communicate with the server easily. But there was no issue, but there is a bulk problem is coming. Okay, so okay, this happened through the Node.js. Local JSON server. Any link REST API with the local JSON server. Okay. Here is also loading local JSON file that is we have done. We need to read. Local JSON server REST API. So here they have follow something that we did JSON file. Okay, he is saying like this is a data where employees are stored. Now he's saying like running the server that will run, there is no problem. Now after that, what we need to do, it will show the list of employee. Here we can access the employee. Here EMP ID and other things. Okay, employee, then ID we need to pass, page, post, delete, everything is okay. Now how is the code? Show me the code fast. Testing something request. Show me the code. Yeah, request. Making faker JSON install faker. No. Local JSON. He has given the solution, but he has left in between something. Watch db.js we have made till there our solution is ready. So here data he also getting, we are also getting. Now HTTP create. Okay, so application JSON is fine. Now what else we need to do on that? We want to request. No, request we know well how to request. We can do that request part also. Here is the okay, his JSON format is in this way. His JSON format is imply he has. Similar way he will have something else. Okay, we are looking something else. What we are looking is we are looking where we can write the data into JSON. Write data to local JSON server file. Very good. Show me. Okay. Take all cookies, no problem. We want to write into the local JSON. Fetching, we have idea, we can fetch it, we want to write it. Then it will become completely independent server in the local computer. Okay, this one leave it. It has not any proper solution. I'll put another one. It says like write data to local JSON file. Not JS by your here. Don't say Node.js local JSON. He has given, but he has given completely. Writing is important because writing only we need to do. How to build the REST API Node.js and JSON is in Node.js. Yes.
So in that JSON tutorial, creating fake REST API with Johnson server, the JSON server.
In
That
this,
something code is there. Yes.
where?
Not this one, so back.
Oh, all one fake API.
Down, so down.
Medium.
Down. No, so down. So I will send that URL.
Ah, the one line we can find, I can make the building on that. Just one line, any suggestion. Any of that I'll make ready. You don't need to worry on that.
I send.
Go to the somewhere else. JSON API. Okay, so he has written make directory npm init JSON server done. Okay, he has done the npm install Axios. Then package.json is there. That will come automatically. JSON test data user we have. Okay, so this will give the list of the users. Starting JSON server. This is here. Now where we can get the particular user 3. Okay, it will give the 3. Okay, request. So here Axios dot get user, we can say we can get the list of the users. Right after that, he said like next post request. Awesome. Here is a post user. Then this data will be posted to this res. Where is that? Response.data console.log will go. It is posting to where? The response. Data. Okay. So this URL is posting. Then as a new user is created with Axios, user number 6 will be get added. Perfect. User number 6 we can access. Okay, put a request, put underscore request, put, we are using this one. It will fetch here. It will JSON server delete request. Okay, no problem. Okay, so this tutorial is very perfect. From here we can do everything. Okay, this URL everyone can store in your system. From here we can get the all solution. Someone wanted to take the screenshot, please take it. Okay, take that screenshot. So using that tutorial, we can do everything in one JSON file. You can store entire project data. You can read, write, all you can do. Okay, so you taken. Now after that, start from one side. Start from one side. What is that? First, we have made server ready. In it, we can do that Axios we have installed already. This has to be installed under the same folder. Okay, so it has to be package.json file we have to create there. npm init, once we run, it will get ready. Then after that, next will be here under the we will keep on posting the data user, and that will get registered under this user.json file. And under the user.json file, we will keep on registering the user. Here is a tutorial as well. User will give all that user data. Get we are doing here, it will give all the user. And here we have the post, that is posting. So where it is posting to user only. And then user ID 6, like the ID we need to generate manually from our side. Then it will work. Okay, so let's come back to this folder, and CMD is already running for you. CMD already was running, right? So you can stop that and write here npm init, npm init. Go to that API folder and run the npm init. It will ask some basic information, API name. In the API folder, run the in API folder, you run the npm init, npm init. Run the npm init. npm init. It is asking the package name. Is API by default, enter. Version number 0.1, enter. Description, project API you can give. Project API, enter. Entry point, let it be no problem, index.js. Test command, something. Git repository, something. Keyword, enter. Author, your name you can write. Licensing, nothing required, just save it. Do as a Y, yes. Just press enter, enter, enter. Continuous press enter, enter, enter. I will create a very perfect video for this. Okay, completely. Each and every step with the this one. Mm, what is called? The source code also I'll keep there, so you can try. Today only I'll send it. I'll create a video. I'll send it today itself. You can go through that. Even let's continue. So hope you're done till here. Let me know. Then we can process next.
Done, sir.
Okay. So bulk response came. Done, done, done. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, fine. After that. Now next, what we'll do is, for example, see, even this JSON server related, I'm new in that. I have never used the JSON server because server was working perfectly to all the batches I was teaching in that way. but that exception happens. So what we need to do first, we can create a file called user.json. Okay, user.json, we can create one file. What are the details we are asking here? We are asking in our page called name, email, password, and mobile number, right? So go to your folder, and as you have created article.json file, similar way, create one more file called user.js file. Create a file user.js, user.json, sorry, JSON, 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 user.json. Node.js API we can write easily, but everyone is not aware of Node.js and MySQL. Okay, so that is also one blockage. So better implement in local JSON server, and you can create a new project also individually in your computer if you understand properly. All read, write, update, delete, everything is possible. So user.json file is ready. In that user.json file, we can follow this structure. So article file you have. Okay, let me check from here what format he has designed. The first step, we should not do something wrong. It may be here, there also. Okay, so no problem. It's look easy only. User.json file, you can keep like this. And I will have a look again. Some small doubt is here. So do we need to keep this comma in the last or not? That one. After the last element, there should not be comma. Maybe JSON should have some special thing. Okay, can you see that? You have the comma in the last in this. Okay, so I stuck. Okay, there is no comma in the last. So no need to keep the comma. Okay, let's keep one user only. And what are the details we have? Those we need to pass here. So this info I kept here. This is my curly bracket. It's got ended here. Users, let it be. And what are the name? What are the details we are taking? We are taking call name, and we are taking one user we will add here, and then we'll try name, email. Then next is called password, and next is called mobile number. Mobile. So now you will fill some data here. Name something. You can keep your name. Email. I'll keep my email here. siyaram@gmail.com. Okay. After that, hello. Hello. I can hear. You can continue. You will get call today. I told you. No, I have given your number. They will call you. Okay. Okay. Fine. You can get in half an hour, 40 minutes before 11. Okay. So array.json file is in this one. User.json file is running. User.json file you created, right? Now, whenever we'll submit the data will come here and it will get added here inside the user.json. It will get added under the user.json. You can check this file once whether it is running or not. You can do the JSON watch. The command you remember. What was the command? Command was to run this file as JSON-server, JSON-server, right? Some particular port number, and it was which file? User article.json file. You can keep user.json file. User.json file. That the first command, it is here. This command you can run in your chat. Instead of this, you can give as a which one? Instead of article.json, you can keep as a user.json.
It's working.
Instead of article.json, we can keep user.json. We can keep here user.json. This is the port number. Come to your chat. We can keep user.json. Right now, if I go to the browser and run the users, localhost/users, I should get that data. Localhost/3000 port number/users. I should get one user info. It is giving one user info, right? Here. So we will be, when we'll do the registration, when we'll do the register here, that data will come and it will keep on adding under this user.json file. And when we'll try to log in, that time we'll try to fetch the user.json file and we'll see whether if user is exist, then go ahead, not exist, then block there itself. Okay, so here now, come to your register page. In register page, we have given the user ID something. Okay, but again, another thing to understand is, because I need to follow this documentation, he is saying like when you are posting the data to that JSON server, when you are posting the data to JSON server, right, your key should be same as it is exist in the JSON. So look at here, in JSON, what are the key we have? Name, email, password and mobile, is it? Name, email, password and mobile we have. And in our page, what we have, if you look into the our page, what we have? Name, email, password, mobile we have. But what is the variable name? That is the question. What is the variable name? Variable name we have called here. What we have follow in register page, variable name we have called uh, my name, correct? We have my name and we have called my email and we have called my password and we have called my mobile, correct? So in your user.json file you have created, it should not be name only because the property will be mismatched. Keep as a my name, keep here called my email, keep here called my password, and keep here called my mobile only. Convert here into, change into the user.json file. JSON watch is already happening, it will read out automatically. JSON watch is happening. So it should give us the data. If we refresh here, right? My name, my email, my password, my mobile got changed. See what I did here. You understood in this file user.json. The name of the field should be same as you are sending from the register page. Name of the field should be same as you are sending from the register page. Name of the field should be same as you are sending from the register page. So from register page, you are sending what are my name, my password, my email, and my mobile, correct? Modify that. See, nothing else to modify. Go to the user.json file and modify that, this one, the property name. Confirm. You can run your page, refresh your page. Which page? That browser page. 3002 port number. Changing in the browser. Working. Okay. See here is you have a localhost colon users, right? And you can refresh your page. You can see the data will come here. Now next thing we are going to do, we are going to post the data. Post the data from the register page. So let's come to the your copy this URL, and come to your register page. And from the register page, the URL we have given here, right? URL we have given here, this data, right? This URL you are going to change to this. Instead of sending to server, change the URL. Localhost 3000, and this I think they have given the example on Axios based. I will follow on Axios based this register page. Okay, if it is happening, then further we can plan. I will test the JSON, then we can see. Or post data content JSON body. Okay, no problem. Let's test this one also. If it will work, then work. We can write here a message manually because the JSON file cannot return anything. So we can write a message here. Instead of result status, you write here directly register register success. JSON file you cannot write if condition, so I wrote here directly register success. Change the URL, and after changing the URL, let it be this all as usual. We will check whether it is working or not. Not working, then we'll come back to Axios. And after that, here message you change to register success. You can save the data, and again you can refresh that user.json file URL, port number 3002, and users URL, check whether data is coming there or not. Even I will also test once from my side. See, I have changed only URL here. Let me go to my page, this page, refresh the page, and from here, CRM YADAV SIYARAM2 @gmail.com, password 123456, and contact number something 245 246 78910, and register. Is saying register success. If I run this URL, oh awesome, only empty has come here. Only empty has come, don't know. Only ID is coming. ID is coming as a 2. Okay, no problem. Maybe while sending the data, there is a problem through the post method. We can use Axios here. We can use Axios. See, it's calling. Okay, it is not like it is not calling. It's calling. Now we can find out. Okay, we can find out the data we are sending that can have little problem, so that we can convert now. Okay, so what we will do is JSON data is here now, right? The JSON data. Hold on. Here you are sending the post data. Okay, post data using fetch method, JSON type. Let me try with this. Hold on. JSON data I'll try to post here. JSON data I'll try to post. Siyaram Rai SIYARAM@gmail.com 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 7 8 9 10. Please wait. Submitting. Okay, so it has a problem now. So here it is not allowing to post. Execute fetch window cannot convert to directory something. Okay, because we are going against the rule, we are not following that. So no problem. That all is fine only. Let's come up. Import the Axios here. You import the Axios on the top. Import the Axios on the top, and change this one into at this place here only do axios.post. Axios.post URL, comma, JSON data dot then response inside. Say test it, I'll do here. And this all I'll cut from here. 1 minute, okay. Wait, let me test once, then you can try it. I wrote here directly, users we are posting their JSON data, whether it's need in the form of array or need in the form of JSON. I can have a look in the API and I'll guide you. By then you can import the Axios. Import the Axios in your page. Import the Axios in your page. After that, I'll test it. You can see 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's saying register success. And let me see your data. Awesome. Data came, but it is coming in the form of JSON, right? Okay. Now I will look into the, so up ye follow karo up. Let's you call the Axios. I'll guide you. We have reached almost. So what is saying? It is saying like, please don't post in the form of JSON. Don't stringify it. Okay. This dot state dot list. Correct only. This dot state dot field list. Remove this all. Remove this. Let it be array directly. Array data. Post here. Now after that it will take 1 minute. Okay. Hold on. I'll make it ready. Then I'll send you this. First you just import your Axios in the top. Import the Axios and get ready. I'll give you the solution. Data has gone there, but it's become encrypted because JSON cannot decrypt directly. Server file can decrypt. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Success it says, look me here. Perfect. See here, data is coming. So it is happening. So nothing to worry. Let's go and take this line. You delete what you have written earlier. Axios.post is that fetch method. Just add these 2 lines. Perfectly, it is working now. इतना ऐड कर दीजिए. We need to send the data in the form of array. No need to do the JSON and anything. Just JSON data. It's your array data here. Array data. Just this 3 line of code. Add it. It will get register in that. Try this. Axios hope you have imported. Try this and then let me know. Are you able to register or not? अभी एंड करेंगे 5 मिनट में. Other people should confirm it. You imported the Axios on the top and add this. Only send the data in the form of array.
It's okay.
Working. Little time got extended,
Yes.
but anyhow, you are going to learn some more thing like how to work on JSON-based server. If because you saw the 3, 4 server are there, but all are getting refused, not ready to take unlimited data. But now in this case, your React, your server, everything in your computer. Whenever you want to run the project, you can start that user.json file and other file we can run, and then we can run the React and we can start using it. Working.
Sir,
Hmm.
for me, it's coming as malformed JSON in file. User.json file. User.json.
We'll send you user.json file. You replace that.
Okay.
You have made some mistake in user.json file. User.json file, package.json file. Both I sent you. User guide also I sent you.
Okay.
In that everything I have written.
Okay, sir.
Article.json file is also gone. All entire folder is gone to the chat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so hope happening. Then we can end here and we'll see you tomorrow. That node class 2 o'clock.
Sir, for Node class, how much is the fees?
You can talk to that counselor. You have a number, no? 88841.
Yes, sir.
You can talk. 2 o'clock we can log in for node. See, this project I'll make meaningful, you don't worry, okay? I'll make something completely end-to-end. All will be based on JSON only, end-to-end you will get to know. That server has made little trouble us, else by last Saturday, only Sunday we can have made many things.
Sir, one thing for this message, no, sir, जो last में the marked fields are invalid. तो अगर वहाँ पे दो fields मतलब invalid हैं, then this message is like it's good. But in case there is just one input which is invalid, तो एक message ऐसा भी लिखना था कि the marked field is invalid, मतलब you know, like for grammatical thing. So उसके लिए if else statement में
आप लगा
कुछ
सकते हो ना, अब इतना पढ़ लिए रिएक्ट, अब अपने से लगा लो आप।
नहीं सर, वो कैसा रहेगा उसको
नहीं,
कैसे?
जैसे दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा है, कोड ही आप ही लिखोगे कि मार्क्स फील्ड्स आर मैंडेटरी, अब थोड़ा और डू सम R&D एंड ऐड सम मोर थिंग, ओके दिस ऑल आर द फील्ड इनवैलिड। करेक्ट, थोड़ा अपने से दिमाग लगाइए। यहाँ तक तो हमने आपको खींच खांच के पहुंचा दिया क्या? अब इसके बाद कंपनी में जाना है तो क्या करना है? वहां तो जाकर के भाई अपने को काम करना है ना, हमको थोड़ी आएंगे वहां पे काम करने। हाँ, मैं सपोर्ट करता हूँ लोगों को, मॉर्निंग इवनिंग में हमको 1-1.5 घंटा हर दिन लोगों का प्रॉब्लम फिक्स करना होता है। और उसके बाद यू कैन से लाइक पीपल कॉल इन बिटवीन, आई एम स्टक हियर, व्हाट्सएप में मैसेज करता है, स्क्रीनशॉट इसका कुछ एरर बताइए। मेनी पीपल आर देयर, दे हैव डिजाइन द प्रोजेक्ट एंड they design in the wrong way. Now they want to pass the data from A to C and in between B is there. Okay, so that becomes a problem. They will ask what to do again, how to redesign. वो सब मैं आपको गाइड करने जा, लेकिन आप इतना लिख दे तो थोड़ा अपने से मॉडिफाई करो। समझे कि नहीं? थोड़ा ट्राई कीजिए कुछ। आप अपने से पहले ट्राई करो आप, फिर आप हमको बताओ कि दिस इज माय सिनेरियो, दिस इज माय फाइल, आई हैव मॉडिफाइड क्लियर, नाउ आई वांट लाइक दिस, यू हेल्प मी। तो वहां से मैं आपको आगे एक्सीड करा सकता हूँ क्या? ठीक है, ओके। So I will send, who need SRC folder? I will send you SRC folder. I'll send you. Okay.
Sir, when is the Redux class, sir?
Redux class all will not happen together. No. Now suppose 8:30 to 10:30 you are busy again. From 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock, 2 o'clock to 4 there will be this class. Which class? Node class for other people. So immediately all together cannot be. Once we finish this, which one? Project. Then someone else will teach you the Redux after finishing the project. Okay. Okay then. See you. The 2 o'clock people can log in at 2 o'clock and remaining project class tomorrow in the morning again 8 o'clock.
Fine, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow you can keep little half an hour extra. Okay, everyone. Tomorrow you keep your half an hour extra. Last Saturday, Sunday, there was a mismatch. So at least we understood, we got the idea on JSON server. Based on this only, we will develop many things. Okay. So tomorrow you keep half an hour extra till 11 o'clock. I can continue.
No problem. Bye.
Okay then. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Sir.
Yay!
Meeting end होना चाहिए. बोला कि नहीं continue करो.